Jean about murder. So happy tree.
What are you making today, Nick, for breakfast?
Pancakes.
Okay. And what kind of pancakes are they?
They're just original.
Can I see the box? So they are the Aunt Jemima original complete pancakes.
Yeah.
And what do you put in the mix?
Just add water and then the mix. 2 cups.
Two cups of mix. How much water?
1.5 cups.
Of water. Okay. And now what are you doing?
Mixing it and making the dough salted.
Okay. Do you add any milk and peanut butter to it?
No.
No? Okay. How long do you have to mix it for?
Mix it. I don't think it says.
Okay. How long you been making pancakes for?
About 2 minutes. There we go. Now it's all soft because I add more water to it. Alright.
When you're done, do you clean up your messes?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, good. I'll remind you of that.
We're out of butter.
What?
We're out of butter.
Do we have enough to make it with?
I guess.
I guess you have to do the best you can.
These are my mom.
No, okay. So what are you doing now? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting the butter in.
Okay.
I was gonna explain. Just let me put the butter in first.
Okay. So what are you doing now?
Putting the butter in so that way it can melt into the mix. Because
But-
it's kind of like oil, almost.
But aren't you greasing the pan?
Yes.
You're greasing the pan why?
Because that's how it's supposed to do it.
Well, I always thought you greased the pan so that the food that you're making doesn't burn on the pan.
Doesn't burn.
You don't like to use Pam or vegetable oil cooking spray?
Not really.
Okay, well when you run out of it, there you go.
Okay.
Are you gonna lower the flame?
Only when I'm done with the first batch.
And now you start making your pancakes.
Yep.
Okay. And that's Nick making pancakes. About how many pancakes do you get out of all that mix?
8 to 12.
Okay. Okay. We'll make another video of how they come out when we're done.